Never get lost again. 120. Beginner to advanced public transport. Phrases in English. Hello, phrase campers. Welcome back to our English lesson. Catching the bus? Taking the subway? Today's lesson is perfect for you then. We're learning 120 essential English phrases from beginner to advanced for using public transport like a pro. From buying tickets to asking for directions, you'll learn everything you need to navigate any city with confidence. This is especially helpful if you are traveling or new to an area. Now grab your virtual transit pass and let's begin today's lesson. And make sure to subscribe and like our videos. Beginner-level phrases. Basic questions. Where is the bus stop?
Which bus goes to?
Is this the right bus?
Where's the subway?
How much is a ticket?
What time is the next bus?
Is this seat taken?
Do I need exact change?
Where do I get off?
Is this my stop? Simple directions.
How do I get to the station?
Where is the station?
Which way to the platform?
Is it this way?
Where can I buy a ticket?
Do I go upstairs?
Is this the right way?
Where is the exit?
Which line is this?
What is the next stop?
Basic phrases.
I need a ticket.
One way, please.
Round trip, please.
Here's my pass.
I'm lost.
Is this the wrong bus?
Excuse me.
Coming through.
Getting off.
Standing clear.
Intermediate level phrases. Ticket purchasing.
I'd like to buy a monthly pass.
Can I reload my transit card?
Do you offer student discounts?
Is there a day pass available?
How much is a weekly ticket?
Does this ticket work for buses and trains?
Can I pay by credit card?
Is there a ticket machine?
Do you have change for a 20?
Where can I get a transit map?
Navigation questions.
Does this bus go downtown?
How many stops until Central Station?
Which platform for the express train?
Is this the local or express?
Do I need to transfer?
Where's the nearest connection?
Is there a faster route?
Are there any delays today?
What's the best way to get to the park?
How long does it take to reach the city?
Problem solving.
I think I'm on the wrong train.
Did I miss my stop?
The machine isn't working.
My card was declined.
I can't find my ticket.
Is there another entrance?
The schedule seems wrong.
My pass isn't working.
Can you help me with directions?
I'm going the wrong way.
Advanced level phrases. Complex situations.
Could you tell me the most efficient route to the airport?
Is there track maintenance affecting this line?
What alternative routes would you recommend?
Are there any service interruptions today?
Could you explain the zone system?
I need to file a complaint about the delay.
Is there a shuttle service during repairs?
What's the policy on bicycle transport?
Are there any planned service changes?
Can you explain the peak hour restrictions?
Special requests.
Is there wheelchair accessibility?
Where can I find the elevator?
Do you have facilities for strollers?
Is there priority seating available?
Could you assist with the luggage lift?
Are service animals permitted?
Is there a family waiting area?
Where are the accessible turnstiles?
Do you provide assistance for disabled passengers?
Is there a quiet car on this train?
Emergency situations.
The emergency button isn't working.
Someone needs medical assistance.
There's a suspicious package.
The doors won't open.
We're stuck between stations.
The air conditioning isn't working.
There's a disruption ahead.
Could you call security?
Where's the emergency exit?
How do I report an incident?
Situational phrases. Schedule and timing.
When's the last train tonight?
Are there any overnight services?
What time does rush hour start?
How frequent are the buses?
Is there a holiday schedule?
Do the trains run 24 hours?
What's the weekend timetable?
Are there any early morning routes?
How often do express trains run?
Is there a real-time arrival board?
Technology and apps.
How do I use the transit app?
Can I buy tickets on my phone?
Is there real-time tracking?
How do I scan the QR code?
Where can I download the schedule?
Is there free Wi-Fi on board?
How do I check my card balance?
Can I get updates by text?
Is there an electronic timetable?
How do I set up fare alerts?
Cultural and etiquette.
Should I wait for others to exit first?
Is eating allowed on board?
Where should I stand while waiting?
Is it okay to talk on the phone?
Should I give up my seat?
Is this space for luggage?
Are backpacks allowed on board?
Should I move to the back?
Is music without headphones allowed?
Where should I place my bicycle?